Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard oats updated. Combine 1 cup oats, 2 cups milk, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons sugar in a saucepan and whisk until smooth. Heat gently over medium-low while stirring constantly for 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens. Remove from heat, stir in vanilla, and let sit for 1 minute to set. Serve warm with fruit or nuts for extra flavor and texture. Start by gathering ingredients and measuring carefully to ensure consistent results. Whisk the egg with a tablespoon of hot milk to temper, then combine with the remaining milk, oats, and sugar. Warm the mixture slowly over medium-low heat and stir continuously until it reaches a custard-like thickness. Add vanilla or cinnamon near the end. This gentle technique keeps the oats silky and prevents lumps for a comforting breakfast every time. In this video, I will show how to make custard oats updated. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier with leak-proof containers that keep custard oats fresh and spill-free during commutes. They save time and prevent messy bags, so portion out servings and grab and go. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Control the heat and whisk frequently to avoid curdling and achieve a silky custard texture. If the mix thickens too fast, lift off heat and stir until it cools slightly before returning to the stove. Customize sweetness and flavor with vanilla, cinnamon, or citrus zest. For a softer mouthfeel, experiment with oat type or milk ratios until you find the balance that feels like a warm hug in a bowl.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.